Okay guys, circling back on an old video of my light bars from Diode Dynamics. I've never done a night test with them just to show you what they look like. So it is nighttime. I've got some daytime running lights just running right now, so you'll be able to see that lighting. I'm gonna try to get you into focus here. I'm gonna test out or just show you the brightness of 3 different light bars or 3 light sources I have. So I have my Diode Dynamic 30-inch light bar just installed on my CBI bumper. Then I've got my ditch lights, maybe able to see the outline right there, and then I've got my light bar on the roof rack. So first I'm going to show you the light bar brightness on the CBI bumper 30-inch. This is probably my favorite light bar right now. It's just really close to the ground, really brightens out the distance. I'm kind of pointed downward right now on my driveway, but it's a nice bright light. Then I'm going to look at the ditch lights here and kind of see what it will look like. And so again, really nice brightness on both sides. I've got some covers on here just to kind of protect them from the rocks and stuff bouncing off the road, so that's why you see that bright outline around them. But really like those ditch lights. Again, really brighten up the sides of these rural country roads I live on. And then comes my 42-inch light bar on my roof rack. Not the greatest right now, not because of the light, but the way I've got it positioned. If you watch my video on the install of the roof rack light bar, you'll know I had some troubles installing it. Right now it is pointed pretty up towards the sky, so I'm going to turn it on. You can see what I'm talking about. Just notice it's way out and up. It's not pointed downward. It's really because I'm pointed downward on this driveway, it's actually like a good position right here because I can see out. But when I'm driving straight on the road, this thing points like up to the treetops. So I've got to do some adjustments there. I'm not going to make a video for that just because it's just some minor tweaking, but when all these are on, it is very nice and bright for me. I really like the lights that we've installed. A shaky video, but I just wanted to show you that top light bar and how it just points more towards the sky and not downward. So that's just something I need to change with some adjustments. And that's the lower light bar that does a great job pointing on the road. So these are all Diode Dynamic lights. I had some old Harbor Freight lights, but took them out to replace them with these Diode Dynamics. So if this was helpful, give me a shout, comment, like, subscribe, please subscribe. And Diode Dynamics, if you're watching, I would love some free products.